smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. You have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. What is budgeting? Budgeting enables you to be aware the money that comes into your account and the money that leaves your account. It gives you awareness. So it enables you to know about your income, your savings, your debt, your investment. It helps you to put all your money on paper. You are seeing it. Hey, a lot of people deceive themselves. I make money, I spend money. That's not ideal. It's like self-deception. So budgeting enables you to put pen and paper together. How much do I make exactly? How much do I spend exactly? On a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, even on a daily basis. There are different apps that are available now for budgeting, and there are free templates that are available for budgeting. One of the best apps available for budgeting is called Mint. You can download it online. All these links that you're seeing here, I'll put them in the description of this class. So just go and download them. So if I click on Mint now, for example, you see, experience a fresh way to manage money. So here, it's an app you can download on App Store, on Google Play Store, and it's #1 most downloaded personal finance app. And it's also a budget-friendly, loaded with free features. So just go to this website and download the app for you to be using to track your expenditure. Also, we have Money Dashboard. You can use Money Dashboard to also track your expenditure. There are different apps in the modern world you can use to track your income and your expenses. We also have some budget. Even the Federal Trade Commission has a budget for those of us that want to use paper. So you see it. Let's handle the budget on a month-to-month basis. It's simple to just fill in the month, fill in the year, and be typing it out what you spend on a month-to-month basis. Spend some time with it. It's very easy to understand. It's self-intuitive to use. So we said that by using a budget, it helps you to put measures to your goal. So you're not just setting one random goal. I want to be earning $5,000 a month. You are putting your money where your mouth is. So you are taking steps. This is Money Dashboard. Let me open it too. So you see, this is Money Dashboard. Spend less, save more. So it enables you to see all your bank accounts in one place. And over 500,000 people are already using it. So you can use it as a budget. And you can connect it with different banks. See it here. In fact, that even reminds me, it's not just about using all these apps. There are even banks. Bank app even enables you to track your money. I use Monzo, this bank, this one, Monzo. That's my banking app. And it enables you to track your money too. So it's not just about downloading some apps online. Some banking app, all these new digital banking apps enables you to track your money excellently for you to know what is coming in and what is going out. There's Monzo, there's Revolut. There are other kinds of banking apps. I will attach some of them in the description of this course so that you can go and download them and check them out. Also, I have my own Google Sheet and Excel spreadsheet for those of us that like using Google Sheet and Excel spreadsheet. So for those of you that are interested in using a budget planner in form of a Google Sheet or Excel spreadsheet, I have one that I will attach in the description of this class. You can see this one. This one is my own personal budget planner on Google Sheet. It's also in Excel for those of us that like using Excel. So anyhow you want it, I will attach the link in the description of this class for you to monitor your money, your income flow. You can see it has your income, your passive income, other ways that you earn money. And at the end, there's a total. Also, it has your expenses, what you pay on rent, mortgage, food, transportation, insurance, gas, water, clothes, and other things. So there's miscellaneous for things that I did not include that you spend on. And it works for every month of the year. So at the end, you have a cash flow. Your cash flow is your income minus your expenses. So at the end of the month, what is left? And you need to have a positive cash flow. Most people in our current world are having a negative cash flow, which means their debt or their expenses is more than their income. And if you're living in that state, that's what makes people to become poor, because their cash flow is negative. You want to try to avoid that. So from your income, when you subtract your expenses, you want to have a positive cash flow. What is left over after you spent from your salary, you want it to be positive. Some people are like, I don't earn salary. You don't earn salary on a monthly basis. Somehow money comes to you. So anyhow money comes to you for a year, add it up and divide by 12. That's like a salary. Even if you're a student, you're like, I don't earn salary. Your parents send you some money, or you're on some grants, some scholarships. Add everything up that they give to you for a year and divide it by 12. That's a salary. It doesn't have to be on a fixed monthly, whatever. It can be sporadic, but in a year, you're able to get a total sum of money. So add it up, divide it by 12 months in a year, you get what you earn for a month. Also, you track your expenses on a monthly basis, which you have seen here. And I told you that if you want to run away from the rat race that most people in society are immersed in, you have to have a positive cash flow, which is what you get when you subtract your expenses from your income. So now, with your positive cash flow, what do we do now with the leftover? So now that's what differentiates people that are rich and people that are poor. Because people that are poor don't even have a positive cash flow. They keep working, they keep earning, they're not able to have a positive cash flow. Target in this class is to have something that's positive, a leftover. So with that leftover, what do you do with it? Now that's when you can start paying off your debt if you are someone that want to pay back your debt. For me, I don't have any debt to pay back. That's why here is 0. But if I have any debt to pay back, I don't have student loan or car loan. I try to avoid debt as much as possible. Not all debts are bad. Most debts that people have in society are bad debt. Car loan, camera loan, all this buy now and pay later, they are not helping you. There are areas that it will help you, there are areas that it will not help you. And I, as a person, I don't have any loan. So you can see. But if you have a loan, feel free to write it here. We equally have savings and investment. So as you pay off your loan on a monthly basis, you must have an amount again that you must save and invest. So you don't just save and invest when you don't have a positive cash flow. You need to have a positive cash flow, because out of that positive cash flow is what you save and you invest. So at the end of the month, you're able to have your monthly summary of how much you earn, how much you spent, how much debt you are paying, and how much you are saving and investing for the month. That will enable you to know, okay, your net income for the month. And if you add everything together, you have your net income for the year. Also, I have some charts here to make it more interesting for you to see it in plain paper, to see your annual income, how much money that you earn comes from your salary, how much comes from your passive income. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. You have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So also, when it comes to savings, how much of your money is going into savings, into investing, and into pension, for you to see it live and direct. Also, expenses, what is taking a chunk of your money. When we talk about expenses, you can see from here is our rent and mortgage that's taking most of my own money. And at the end of the year, you can be able to understand that, okay, how much comes in, how much are you spending, how much are you saving, and how much is still left. So this will give you an idea of managing your money very well. You're having now a grasp. You're no longer deceiving yourself like most people. I make money, I spend money. No, you're having a grasp of what comes in and what is leaving. And remember, we said our goal must be measurable. You must be able to put numbers to your goal. Goals must be specific. How much do you want to invest? So this helps us to understand how much we are saving, how much we are investing. So we have 50, 30, 20 rule. For those of us that don't want to use this budget, we are used to the 50, 30, 20 rule. It simply means that 50% of your money should be spent on your needs, things that are core to you, like your rent, your mortgage. 20% should be spent on your want, which means gym, travel, dining out, and things like that. And 20% should be spent on savings, debt, and investment. I choose to swap it around because I'm not a fan of wasting money. I believe in savings and paying off your debt and investing than just lavishing money in entertainment. As much as you should look good, no matter what, I still believe that no, you should give preference to savings and investing because you'll be happy with yourself. In our modern world, a good number of people are not happy with their finance and they're not taking steps for it. They want to look good on camera for TikTok. They're in loan, they're in credit card loan, and they don't have any idea of how to pay it back. So you want to avoid it. Magic will not just happen. Nobody will come and cut off your loan. No. You and I will take steps in order to bring ourselves out of loan. You and I will take steps in order to save our money. You and I will take steps in order for us to invest our money. The responsibility of your money lies solely on you. That's why it's called personal finance. It's personal to you. So it's similar to what I've explained before, just that here you are breaking your expenses into 3 buckets: needs, wants, and investing. And you're putting a certain percentage of your money that should go to your needs, a certain percentage that should go to your want, and a certain percentage that should go to your savings, debt repayment, and investing. And is good for newcomers, for newbies. You can start with this technique. All of them are in the description box of this class. If you have no idea of where to start, you can start from here if this one worked well for you. But I think the first one, which is what I use, is very simple to understand for most people, and you will not go wrong by using it. So let me make it large. So you see, so this is the full budget. I made this budget for 2021. So we're in 2022. So this is the budget. And at the beginning, you can see the summary. You can put your name here and see how much you are making and how much you are spending. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. You have to like this video and subscribe to my channel.